Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox loading error on your PC or on any device. So you can follow the same step on any device. First of all, you have to open browser and go to roblox.com. Now once you're here guys, you have to tap on menu and go to avatar editor. And if you're on mobile, you have to enable desktop mode, whether you are on Android or iPhone. So now if you are on Android or iPhone, I made a separate video on that. So this video is on for the PC, but you can follow if you have opened the author successfully on PC or on your particular device. Now once you here guys, if you are facing a loading problem, avatar loading problem, you just need to be on the avatar editor here, and under the body type you will see that if avatar is not loading correctly, there is option given which is called retro. You just need to tap on it or click on it. Your avatar will be loaded perfectly if you are facing any problem while wearing any outfit. So after clicking on this redraw, your problem will be fixed. And if your redraw is not working, it might be to the Roblox server, but right now the server is fixed, so this problem will not exist, or it doesn't exist. So make sure just tap on to create, or just tap on this redraw option to fix your error. Your problem will be fixed instantly. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.